Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Next point is adding pictures to the title and content slide. How to add the pictures by using this title and content slide layout. Okay, here steps are given. So we'll follow the steps to insert a picture in a title and content slide. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. The first point, let me read here. Insert a title and content slide to the presentation. Click on the insert tab and select the picture option from the images group. Okay, first when you open a PowerPoint presentation, you have to insert this title and content slide in your presentation. So when you use this layout, then only you can insert the picture. And after inserting this slide, then you click on insert tab, then go to picture option from the images group. Okay, so let me open a PowerPoint. So in a run window, I am going to type power PNT, then I'll press enter key. Okay, so this is the slide. Okay, empty slide. And see, let me change the slide layout here, title and content. Okay, I change it to title and content. Okay, so new slide got inserted, and if you want to change the layout of this slide, then directly select the layout here and make it title and content. So this slide is also title and content, and this slide is also of title and content. Afterwards, you click on insert tab, then you have a picture option in a images group. So just select this picture option in a images group, then you will get a picture dialog box. Okay, so insert picture dialog box gets open. Okay, first of all, let me read the next point. The insert picture dialog box opens. Choose the folder where the picture is stored. So when we click on that insert picture option, then we get the dialog box, insert picture dialog box. In that we have to choose a location where the picture is saved in your system. Then select the desired picture file and click on the insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Okay, so here steps are given. Just select the picture from that location, then click on insert button in that dialog box, then that picture appears on the slide. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here, so click on insert, click on picture option or in the insert tab of images group, then you get insert picture dialog box. In this, where you have saved your pictures, you have to go to that location. Okay, let me choose the book. Okay, let me choose the picture from my location. Okay, I have saved many pictures, so in this location. Okay, so that's why I have selected E drive. Okay, I have E drive. Let me see any good pictures are there. Okay, student. Okay, let me select this. Then after selecting that picture, click on insert button here. So just click on insert button, then that picture gets insert. So now you see, so that picture is not fully set it for this entire slide. When you make it full screen, so it appears like this. So if you want to make this picture to be fit for this entire window, either you can use this points. Okay, here make it here. I'm stretching these points to enlarge the image. Okay, I'm enlarging, so making it big. Then here I am. Okay, so this picture has been set it for entire screen. When you make it full screen, see now how the picture appears on your screen. Okay, this is the way to insert the picture in your slide. And here, when we select this picture, the new tab gets activated, format tab. Okay, in this format tab you have a different types of options. For example, if now this picture is a color picture, if you want to change the color, means if you want to make it black and white, okay, this click on that option, then you select. Okay, here see how it appears. If you want to make it black and white or any, so color tone can be changed by using this. Okay, see like this. You as you wish, you can you can format it. Okay, you can format the picture as you wish. Okay, so plenty of options are given in Microsoft Office 2010 that can be used. And artistic effect, if you want to give, you can give the artistic effects. Okay, so this is a marker, this is okay, nothing is there, so that is none option. And here pencil grayscale means, so that image is displaying as a drawn like a sketched like with the pencil. Okay, so that is artistic. See the images, see the beautifully displaying. Okay, so like this you can change the picture, or you can format the picture as you wish. And if you want to correct, here corrections are given. Okay, so that you can try it. So then here picture styles are given. Now see, so it is in a square shape. Okay, see it is stretched. Now if you want to put a frame for this picture, you can put a frame, and when you press F5 button, it displays on a full screen. Okay, so here black, it is not able to display here. So let me see here. Again I'll press F5 button. Now let me select circle shape. Okay, yes, circle shape is displaying. So why here black, this one border is not displaying? Because here also, that side also it is black. So black, in a black it is not visible. Okay, so that's why I made it circle and I have displayed it. Okay, so like this. So in this way you can insert the picture. And if you want to give any effects for this picture, or if you want to crop the picture, here options are given. You can crop it. Cropping means only the picture what you require, that can be kept it here, and so other part can be removed by cropping. Okay, so I'll press Ctrl Z button. Then here remove background option is given. Let me select, click on again crop button to remove that cropping. Then remove background option is given. Okay, background is removed. Okay, background is removed. And see, mark the areas to keep, mark areas to remove, which area you want to remove, so that you can mark it by using this option. Okay, see, okay, so like this you can mark it. Then just randomly select it. Then here you have delete mark, that portion will be deleted. Okay, this. Or if you want to keep these changes, you can keep. If you want to discard all changes, you can discard. And it again comes back to its original state, means till where we have formatted before clicking this remove background option. Okay, so this is the way to insert the picture and format the picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. And here one tip is given: to resize the picture, click on the corner sizing handles. While holding down the mouse button, drag the sizing handle as per your need and release the mouse button. Okay, here corner sizing handle means these dots. Okay, so you can resize this by pulling this dots. So this is corner sizing. You can resize it by using these corners. Okay, so I hope you have understood this point, how to insert the picture and how to format the picture. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.